Hi, I'm Jess and I'm graduating in an MA in Modern History with a distinction at the Arena today. I chose Swansea because I just saw the beach and I fell in love with it. I came with my best mate and we kind of just, I don't know if it's because we're from the city and having the freedom, the barbecues which students do because we did a few of them. But also what really stood out for me at Swansea Uni was the autism support. So I have Asperger's and ADHD and it's really hard as it is. So knowing that I had that support network in place was really, really useful. They've helped me loads, the whole team. I had a support worker all throughout university who helped me and supported me with basically everything from social life to kind of integrating into society, how to do coursework, and I have to give big thanks to them. I lived with 4 autistic boys throughout my whole degree, so that really helped as well, just having that connection that living with people who are like you, because you don't have to mask all the time because masking is really tiring. My message would probably be to people is don't let people keep you down, don't let people, just because you have a label, don't let that label define you. Things are going to be really hard. There are several times where I've just kind of gone, oh, it's too much, people like me don't do this kind of thing, and I think having the support network, definitely having my boyfriend and the lecturers just pushing me, going, you can do this, you've got the potential. I mean, I think it's kind of it's kind of like exemplar that, yeah, if you keep your head down, my best tip would be treat it like a 9 to 5, get into that routine early, and then the kind of rest just falls into place. And don't forget to have fun.